How to install SSL in the FastPanel? So you have to go the shortcut. So shortcut you have to say this the SSL certificate. Click here. So come create a new certificate. Everything is working fine. Just if you set up, keep in mind you have set up from the mail domain DNS. So that means your DNS server will follow this IP or this FastPanel. So you can use this, or if you use your Cloudflare to use a dot this main domain, and you have to add the www. If you www add in the Cloudflare, then you can add this, otherwise you cannot add this. So next task is you set up the add. Not working. There's the issue is we have we cannot use this the www system, so you have delete this. Now it will work fine. So when you click the save domain, yes, now this is working fine. Thank you.